The Florida Keys are famous worldwide for their natural beauty, perfect year-round weather, unparalleled fishing and diving, and vibrant nightlife. Our choice for an ultimate getaway in Key West is Parrot Key Hotel and Villas. It's your home away from home in the Florida Keys. You'll find yourself getting to experience the best of all worlds. The tropical waterfront island getaway vibe of this boutique hotel, and all of quintessential Key West, just a complimentary shuttle ride away. Parrot Key Hotel and Villas provides the most well thought out, clean and nature inspired guest rooms in all of Key West. The rooms, suites, and villas are among the island's most spacious, offering a choice of lush tropical garden views or expansive water views. You can also upgrade your island getaway by staying in one of the suites or villas. This is your chance to experience island life at its finest. It's time to kick back, let loose, and live the island life in Key West at Parrot Key Hotel and Villas, our choice for an ultimate getaway.